What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for your love and support. To all my channel members and all my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. As you can see by the title, I'm making this delicious dish. So now it's time to start cooking my mushroom and shrimp. I already cleaned my shrimp and washed them in lemon juice. I have them deveined also, and I season them with some Old Bay seasoning, some fish seasoning, some black pepper, and some garlic. So here's a rundown of all the seasoning that I'm using right here. All this will be in the description box. So I'm using the portobello mushroom, and these are some large mushroom. I'm just going to remove this stuff from in the middle. Normally, if I'm doing other stuff with this mushroom, I will leave that black stuff in it. But I love to take it out when I'm doing shrimp. So I'm just gonna remove the stem also, and then cut up the stem small. And guys, this stem can also use to make soup, but I'm just gonna cut them up small and add them in with the seasoning. Yes, give the pot a nice flavor. So here I have the stem already cut up over there, and I'm just gonna cut the mushroom in 4 pieces. And these mushroom, they, even though they are large, when they eat them, they're gonna get smaller, so I don't want to cut them too small. And here I have my bell pepper, my onion, my garlic, and my ginger, and my cilantro. And I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. So now I'm gonna have this eating up. As soon as it's eaten up, I'm gonna be adding the mushroom. But first I'm gonna put some salt-free seasoning on my mushroom. So guys, I wash these mushrooms, but then I pot dry them because I don't want them to absorb too much water. So I dry them into a paper towel. And now I'm gonna be frying the mushroom along with the shrimp, you know. So I just put a small portion of oil in the pot, not too much. So I'm gonna have them cook on one side and then flip them over. Then I add the shrimp to the pot. But in the Caribbean we stay. Sister J, the food tastes nice. These mushrooms smell so good, guys. That vegetable season, bring it out. Yes, I'm just putting the mushroom to the side and then I'm adding the shrimp. If you made it this far in this video and you're not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and be a part of the family. Over here in Sister J's kitchen, I do it my way, my style and my version. If you try it this way, you might like it. You just never know. Sister J's way of cooking is easy and simple, and she generates her own recipe. So you might see this recipe somewhere else and it's doing in a different way. But Sister J's way is just Sister J's way. And I know you would like it Sister J's way. So please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And if you are already in the family, please share it with your friends and family, so they can be a part of Sister J Squad. Yes. Over here, we just mind our business and do our own thing. So now, guys, I'm putting in the ginger and the garlic. The shrimp and the mushroom, they brown up nicely. So I'm adding some Italian seasoning to that. Did I say Italian? Yes, I did say Italian. Now I'm adding some black pepper. And I'm adding some salt-free seasoning by Miss Dash.
I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my
Guys, look at the mushrooms.
Food delicious, me
look
have
at
to do
the
it every
shrimp.
time. Share with my friend them, comment,
so good.
like. Sister J, real top chef that I fuck.
Yeah.
Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato,
Now I'm adding some herbs and garlic liquid mixture.
She no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear, could that be anywhere, but in the Caribbean we stay. Sister J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice. Sister J, you know what I'm man? Brr. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe.
Now I'm just putting in some tomato, small cherry tomato.
Hey, Sister J, hey, Sister J, them say it tastes nice. Start to call my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to.
So when these tomatoes cook, then the juices will eventually fall out on the shrimp and the mushroom. I'm adding my onion and my bell pepper. So this looks so colorful. I'm just combining everything.
Food tastes good, yo. Yo, pass a plate right now.
Looks so good.
You must say, Sister J, big up yourself. You must say, man. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say.
Wow, guys, this looks so good. And it smells so good. I'm just adding in some parsley to that. Yes. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that. Guys, look at that. My shrimp and mushroom is ready to eat. Oh my, I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna dive down into this. I'm gonna serve this with some white rice and some carrots and some snow peas. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Guidance. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that I fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that I fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the